Hello guys, welcome back. It is sometimes for this slums. Hello guys, welcome back. It's time for some horror games. Today we're gonna be playing some white noise with Mikosh. Hey, say hi to Mikosh.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Governor.
Alright, so I'm going to put my... And as soon as I do that, I'm going to start the Yeah.
You guys, don't Blaze X Meet Cash has just issued a challenge me on himself. He thinks that he can draw a sketch of me, and so I'll have to leave a link down to his channel in the description if he actually does that anytime soon. Just because I have blue hair, don't judge me, and I have a ghost. The ghost paint. Just follow me. You have to. If I was you, you might want to stay right behind me. Don't.
I think it's funny that like only your legs move, like it looks like you're shredding like a girl.
Oh yeah, and Christian. You know how sometimes my hair it sticks up when it's just not wet?
Yeah.
I found out when I was young. Oh god, green thingy! Don't look at it! I found out when I was young, you would never believe this. I used to have curly hair. I hear, oh there it is! And if you guys don't know what white noise is, do you see him? Run me! And if you guys don't know what white noise is, it's kind of the same thing as Slender, just the monster. It's kind of like Slender, but the monster's a big fat kind of werewolf with no skin whatsoever, and he's kind of like an alien.
Oh my god. Nope. He's right behind us. Go. Oh my god. I'm scared. Is he right behind us?
Sorry for that little girl scream, but the rapist is behind us.
He's not there. He's not there.
Oh god, now I feel creepy! Run with me, Meek, and there's a green thing right there. This couldn't be any worse right now for us. Rapist! Come on, Meek. Come on, Meeky. Come on, Meeky. Ah, Meeky! Oh God, that's a dead end.
Oh no, that's a dead end.
Dead end. Go. Okay, he's not there anymore. Hopefully that blockade will slow him down. But I bet you he'll be at the end of this walkway. Look at those creepy sculptures. Oh, home of the dolphin. Home of the upside down dolphin with the face. And this is a different room. Let's go down this hallway. And you guys, I have something to inform you guys on. In about 4 months' time, that might seem like a long time, but not really, because that's gonna go by super freaking fast. Oh, he's right there! In like 4 months' time, I'm gonna be getting a freaking PS4, and there is so many games I want to play with you guys, like Infamous, Daisy. Daisy on the PS4 is going to be coming out in about a year, so that's something else to look forward to. And this might be not the good time to say that in a horror game, but I don't really care. I want to just inform you guys. He's like half in a corner. He's like half in a freaking doorway and half out. Stalker status. Stalker status. Stalker status. What the hell is that? Hello, Stefano with that creepy face. Oh no, the new LeBron. I hear a thingy. I hear one. There it is. I'm about to get it. To change. No, you're super pale, actually. You're as white as you. Because, I mean, you're really pale, so. Hey, run! I'm just gonna dip. Buenos noches! You want me to tell you a horror story today? Turn your flashlight off. There once was this madman who was creeping through the night. Creeping through the night. Every now and then, he was like, "Gotcha, bitch!" I was going around the pillar, here we go. I will sacrifice myself for you. Look at him. Just go around the corner and look at him real quick. Hello, Pillsbury. What are you doing down there? I don't feel safe. Not at all. Not at all. And I hope you guys enjoyed that Black Ops 2 video. That's just some more to come of that Black Ops 2 quick scoping. Even though I rage quit. Eventually, you guys, me Cash can even tell you, I usually hit every freaking shot on Black Ops 2. I'm like 2 Chainz, but on Black Ops. No, you're 2 Chainz when it comes to World at War. This guy's a dolphin. I hear a recording, but I don't. Yay! And he's right there. we have reached rapist status. Oh God! Look at the ground. I don't feel safe anymore at all. Is he back there? I got your back. 2 turns. No. He's not. He's gonna be like right around this corner. So. Nope. No, he's not. I'm turning off my flashlight because it keeps him away. Yeah, la la la. Look at it. Look over there real quick. It's like peeking over us over a shower curtain. I'm gonna peek around the corner. Oh. Okay, I'm running. Oh! Come over. He's right there by that doorway. Whoa, he disappeared. He moved back some. He just moved back. He's back there. He keeps moving around in that room. You creepy douchebag. Don't you dare be around one of these corners. He's like gonna jump scare us. What? Huh? He's a very fitty. Yes. I don't see it. Oh! But turn behind you! He's right behind you! Run! He's good. Why do you think he's near you? So he is right there. What? I think I just got possessed. What? I see him! He was behind me, trying to sneak up on me. But I see you! He's chasing you! What? I don't see him! Oh, he's right there! Behind you! Behind you! Why? He's corner trapping us in this room. You guys, unfortunately, we're gonna have to end the video here. He's a rapist.
Oh, he's chasing me.
You guys, I will see you guys in the next video. As you can see, I see the rapist little flashlight. So I will see you guys soon.